សន្ទនាខ្លីរបស់យើងសាច់ថ្មីម្ដងទៀតតែថ្ងៃនេះយើងនឹងសរសើរអំពី The Sport Shop ថាហាងកីឡាអញ្ចឹងយើងជួបនៅសន្ទនារបស់យើងតែម្ដង What do you want to buy? I want to buy a football, 2 rackets and 2 yo-yo. Why did you want to buy 2 yo-yo, a football and 2 rackets? I want to buy them for my children. When can your children play sports with their friend? They can play sport with them in the evening. What does the children like playing? My dad like playing cricket and my son like playing football. ចឹងយើងជួបនៅសន្ទនារបស់យើង What did you want to buy? What did you want to buy នេះយើងប្រែថាតើអ្នកចង់ទិញអ្វី I want to buy a football, 2 rackets and 2 yo-yo. I want to buy a football, 2 racket and 2 yo-yo. អ្នកខ្ញុំចង់ទិញបាល់មួយ The football តែបាល់មួយ 2 racket 2ខ្ញុំ racket 2 and 2 yo-yo និង yo-yo ចំនួន2អូខេនេះខ្ញុំផ្លេចសេបកប្រែឲ្យយ៉ាងណានិង yo-yo 2 Why did you want to buy 2 yo-yos, a football and 2 rackets តាហេតុអ្វីបានជាអ្នកចង់ទិញ yo-yo ហេតុអ្វីបានជាអ្នកចង់ទិញ yo-yo 2បាល់មួយហើយនឹង racket 2 I want to buy them for my children. I want to buy them for my children នេះណាខ្ញុំទិញពួកវាសម្រាប់កូនរបស់ខ្ញុំចង់ទិញពួកវានឹងសម្រាប់កូនរបស់ខ្ញុំ When can your children play sport with their friend នៅពេលអ្នកថាតើកូនរបស់អ្នកលេងកីឡាជាមួយមិត្តរបស់ពួកគេពេលណាមានន័យថាតើពេលណាកូនរបស់អ្នកលេងកីឡាជាមួយនឹងមិត្តភ័ក្តិរបស់គេអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំប្រាប់បានដូចគ្នា When can your children play sport with their friend? They can play sport with them in the morning. They can play sport with them in the morning. បើថាពួកគេអាចលេងកីឡាជាមួយមិត្តរបស់ពួកគេនៅពេលល្ងាច What does your children like playing? តើកូនរបស់អ្នកចូលចិត្តលេងអ្វីតើកូនរបស់អ្នកចូលចិត្តលេងអ្វី My dad like playing cricket and my son likes playing football ណាកូនស្រីរបស់ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តលេងណាកូនស្រីរបស់ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តលេង racket and my son like playing football ចំណែកកូនប្រុសរបស់ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តលេងបាល់ទាត់អូខេហ្នឹងក៏សូមអរគុណសូមគោរពលានៅសន្ទនាខ្លី